Today's September 3rd. This is the 1967 instrument cluster for my friend Bruce Kalashian out in California for his 1967 DeVille convertible. This is a one-year only design featuring the monolithic chrome bezel and the extended speedometer instrument cluster, comprising the 5 indicator gauge lights, the speedometer, the clock, the air conditioning vent, and the map light grill, and the Cadillac chrome script inside the transparent lens cover. So the unit has been completely disassembled, taken apart. It arrived totally crushed by UPS well over a year ago, and this is the conglomeration of about 6 different instrument clusters accumulated over the year, whereby I was making several different components, starting with the plastic black surround. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn over the unit. And we can see the underside where everything has been labeled, and the black plastic surround, which is aqua colored on the back side of it, has been totally rebonded. I actually had 5 of these that I did, and then I selected the very best one out of the 5 for Bruce. This is the back metallic canister cover for the speedometer and faceplate. This is the flexible circuit. All of the electrical connections have been repaired and tested in some of the other videos. This is the final pre-shipment video that I'm sending to Bruce before I ship tomorrow, which will be September 4th. So this is the back side of the unit. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it over. You can see the unit has been really meticulously recreated. The chrome bezel is perfect. The blackening appearance has all been redone after the chroming. The speedometer is in really good shape. The clock has been rebuilt as a quartz conversion, and the Cadillac chrome script inside the surround has been re-chromed, as well as the black plastic surround being rebonded and resprayed. So this is the 1967 instrument cluster going to my friend Bruce out in California. Today is September 3rd. This will be shipping out tomorrow, September 4th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 Cadillacs, including the restoration of the steering wheels, the steering columns, and the instrument cluster. Thank you very kindly.